Hi, I'm Max Tucci, celebrity chef and lifestyle expert. Today, I'm going to show you how to cook a lobster. So what we want to do is first get a crazy, angry, mad lobster. Why? Because they are the freshest. And it's very simple. All we have to do is fill up a pot with 2.5 inches of water. We're steaming them. We're not boiling them. Boiling them will chard them. And there's another tip so we don't char the lobster. All we have to do is get one of these little funky strainers, make sure it's metal and not plastic, and drop that right into the pot. And what that will do is prevent the lobster from charring. Here's the tip that I know is a lot of fun for some people, and all we're going to do is put the lobster right into the pot head first. Once he's in the pot, we're going to cover it tightly. If in case the lobster starts to boil over, all you have to do is lower your heat. It's a very simple way. This is Max Tucci, and that's how you cook a lobster. Thanks for watching.